हाय एवरीवन। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे अबाउट सम टिप्स ट्रिक्स एंड फीचर्स ऑफ आईफोन डिवाइस। ऐसे कितने ही फीचर्स हैं जो आपने मिस कर लिए रहेंगे आपके आईफोन डिवाइस पे, विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू। माय नेम इज़ विनय, यू आर वाचिंग विन्स टेक विज। लेट्स डिस्कवर। सो लेट्स सी हमारा फर्स्ट फीचर क्या करता है। जूम इन एंड जूम आउट फीचर। यहाँ पे टू एक्टिवेट दिस फीचर आप सेटिंग्स में जाइए, एक्सेसिबिलिटीज़ में, and then turn on the zoom in feature, the zoom feature. And then to activate this feature, स्क्रीन पे आपको 3 बार टैप करना है with your 3 fingers like this. फर्स्ट फीचर है, इसमें एक्टिवेट कीजिए, द मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास विल अपीयर. दिस विल हेल्प यू टू रीड विच आर ऑन स्मॉल fonts. To deactivate it, again tap with 3 fingers, zoom out. So this was the first feature. Now let's see some keyboard tricks which you might have missed. So अगर आपको फ़ोन यूज़ करना है फ्रॉम अ सिंगल हैंड, यहाँ पे इमोजी पे जस्ट click here. By clicking over here, the whole keyboard shift towards left, or you want in right, so it will shift on the right like this. So it is very easy to use from one hand. And even if you are in hurry and you want to type something, you can swing it from the alphabets like this. And then अगर आपको वही वर्ड इमोजी में कन्वर्ट करना है, you can click on emoji icon and click it over here. It will convert it. And also by long press of spacebar button, you can adjust and edit anywhere you want. The next step is adding a privacy lock to your notepad. Just simply write anything in your notepad and you want it to be locked and not to be seen by anyone else. Click here and then just long press this and add a lock note. Once you do that, the locks will automatically appear here, and by clicking over here it would be locked. The next feature will help you to click the photograph more efficiently. Just simply go to settings and then find camera and then activate this grid option. After that, open your camera and as you can see there are lines over here. This will help you to take the perfect overhead photographs. The next trick is for all those iPhone lovers who miss their central button. Go to settings, find accessibility and then go to touch option. Here activate the reachability option. ये करने के बाद आप अपने मेन मेन्यू पे जाएंगे एंड देन यहाँ से अगर आप ऐसे ड्रैग कर लोगे, हाफ स्क्रीन विल कम डाउन like it used to come in iPhone 6 and all the other devices which had central button. तो अगली tip which I want to share with you is about battery life. Go to settings, find battery, tap on battery health and activate optimize battery charging. ये क्या करता है? दिस विल हेल्प यू टू रिड्यूस द एजिंग ऑफ द बैटरी. सो माई नेक्स्ट ट्रिक इज सेटिंग अप द वॉलपेपर. गो टू सेटिंग्स, ड्रैग टू वॉलपेपर्स. There you can see 2 screens. Of course you can choose, click here and choose the wallpaper. But did you know, by clicking on towards the left screen, adjust the wallpaper like this for the lock screen and this is for the unlock screen. So this is how it looks. Here in the lock screen you can see the half page, and in the unlock screen you can see the another half. So these were some tips, tricks and features of iPhone device you might have missed. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.